All right, so we're gonna start to place the seeds. We're gonna count to see how many we have as well. Start with this box. Alrighty, so we're gonna do one seed. Let me see the seeds. All right, these are watermelon seeds. These are collected from the watermelon we actually ate in 2025. We're gonna do one seed, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put it towards the middle, straight in the middle. Let me see. How far down did you put that seed? Or how far you think? Let me see. Let me see the hole. Okay. Got it. So we have 2. 3. 6. 8. 9. Should be 11. 11 in all. 11 in all. So the 11th one. Alright, so this box has 11 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It'll be 8 in this one. 8 and 11, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 21 here. 21, 8, and 11. 21, 8, and 11. I'm having these in these boxes for now. I'm gonna move them a little later, but you know we have 11, 8, and 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll have 36 in that box. 36. I'll be back. Good times, speed it up. You can do it. Oops. 11. You know this is 8. 12. Gonna double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. 34. Final. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12, 13, 14, 15. Oops. 39. Could be 40, guys. That's 40. Alrighty. So we got 40, 34. Let me do the math. Making sure that she doesn't miss any. She knows how many to count seeds per bucket. So she should be good there. And then, because 114 here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oops, sorry, 20. So we got 134 altogether seeds that we are putting in the soil today. And today is March the 7th, 2026. So if I don't have any more water bottles currently, we're going to count and see how many is left. So I'm just going to go get the plastic cups, like those red and blue ones I did in that previous video. I'm going to just go buy those cups. See how many we have. I'm just over here warding the rest of these seeds real quick. We'll be very careful because we're using rocks, you know. So I don't want to make it soggy before I have time to move them. Seventy-three left, so I need 73 more cups. So I saw that Dollar General, they have these bags with 44 of them. So if I get two, make it 88. That's more than enough. I'll be under $5. No worries. All right, these seeds right here is gonna be American seeds, watermelon sugar babies. I'm gonna do about 10. This box, 10.
So I'm trying to say, and you see how long these vines grow. This is what you said.